Howdy, Ranger Rick here. Here to welcome all you locals, tourists, and foreigners, and give you a little safety tip, a little public service announcement, you could say, while walking through this wildlife. Now, you might ask yourself, Ranger Rick, how do you know so much about safety and wildlife? And I would say, I've got 187 months under my belt in working in wildlife and safety. And you'd say, that sounds like a lot, Ranger Rick. And I'd say that's because it is. But enough with the pleasantries. Let's go on and get to some of these safety tips. Safety tip number 1, bug spray. First thing is insects. They'll get you, especially them skeeters. The second thing you'll want, water. It's always good to stay hydrated in this hot weather, especially when walking and going on any hike. As far as the wildlife, you may think in the city that you're at the top of the food chain, and you are. But here, you're not. You're on the menu, sir. And bears is at the top. The first thing we recommend is to stop by the gift shop and get you a set of these bells. Believe it or not, this sound terrifies a bear. Another way to find bears is to look around at your surroundings. If you see bear tracks or puma tracks, most likely there's been a bear or a puma. You might find some of their scat. Poo-poo, dookie, caca. When Harry met Sally, taking the Browns to the Super Bowl. Your order's up. Daddy's home. Who left this stinker? All of these are acceptable. We should probably try and find some. I'll give you a better example then. We found one. It's always best to find out what kind of animal this is. And Ranger Rick says, go through their scat, see what they ate. Then you can find out. Oh, this animal apparently ate bells. I can't. Tommy, we better quit selling these bells. I think it's attracting the bears or the puma. Well, I don't know what animal it is, but... Oh, hold on. It's a bear. Oh, God, it's a bear. Definitely a bear. Bear! Oh, Jesus! Oh, help me! Oh, you can have your poop back!
Paddle boats are lame.